Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a little haul. I have been super obsessed with printable sticker kits for a while now. So it's not like, I wish I was buying stickers so I could do like real hauls, but I printed all these out. It took me like a whole day and a lot of paper. So I will show you what I intend to use in the coming weeks. But yeah. So let's give it a zoom. Okay, so 90% of these are from Beayoutiful Planning. I just love her kits. I love the way that she uses the clip art. I love all of the options that she includes in her kits, and most of these aren't the full kits printed out. It's just some of the kit, which is the other great thing. So the really cool thing, so obviously when you print out her kits, obviously this all prints on one sheet of paper. She has the cut file so you can double cut through it if you have a silhouette like I do. But yeah, so this is the, oh, it doesn't say. This is the Calm kit. And again, since we're spending so much time at home, I thought this would be perfect. So, you know, you've got your fashion girls, you've got your dog and cat cuddled in the papasan, you have, you know, some skincare, you've got some ramen and a candle and you're writing something, you've got some jammies, you know, this is just like a super cute kit, and since we're all stuck at home, I think I can find use for this. The next page of the kit is just a bunch of quarter boxes, half boxes, or quarter boxes, third boxes, these little weird little boxes, a couple of bows, some bows or some scalloped bow headers, some regular bow headers in the colors of the kit. She does give normally she gives two different options for the bottom washi and date covers. I like kind of the paint swiped ones, and I like the bow washi, so I don't know, I always go with that one. There is also all the script icons and the, what are those called? Icons? I don't know. Flare? There's one page pretty much dedicated to the sidebar. So you have some bow clips. These can go anywhere during the week. You got some canceled rescheduled. You have a couple of laptops. You have some balloons for birthdays. These weird little teardrops, a movie marquee, a long sidebar sticker, a weekly sticker Monday through Saturday, some habit trackers, and some build-do stickers. And then you've got all of your littles, including hydration trackers, workout trackers, you've got meal trackers, TVs, package trackers, more meal stuff, and then little asterisks. And then you have some blank ones down here. I normally use these in my sidebar. And then you have some work stickers here and some little icons. This is an older format. You're gonna see a bunch of different formats of her kits. Here are the glitter headers, and then regular to-do headers, top three, and then some sidebar headers, and then some more blank headers, and then more bow things. And that's all I printed out from that kit. I did not print the checklists, so I think you'll see later, because I did print out two other full kits, I think, that she does two different options for the checklists. This one, I don't have the full kit printed out. My printer was giving me all the issues. This one gives me a lot of fall vibes. This is an older format, I believe, but this one's called Invest in Your Dreams. This one has your traveler's notebooks, backpack with notes, your washi holder, a cute fashion girl, coffee, and a laptop. I love this little laptop scene right here. It's so adorable. The girl with the books, and then another girl with the books. I love the fashion girls. Again, a lot of the sidebar stuff on this one as well. So, laptops, these full stickers, a couple work trackers, your bill dues, and your habit trackers. And again, long sidebar sticker, icons, not as much script icons. Still the same date covers, some more quarter boxes, the little bow thingies, and then the bottom washi with the bow washi and the little scalloped washi as well. So that's that kit. I do have another page of this that didn't print out. I'll have to find it. All right. And then I also downloaded a monthly kit from her. This is Hustle and Heart. This can be used any month, so it doesn't actually have like the header on it. It just has kind of this cute little design here. Page 2. Hustle and Heart will set you apart, and then it has this fashion girl that you can put on the sidebar if you wanted to. I just love like some of these icons or some of the clip art, and I think it's perfect for May when I'm gonna be working from home more as well. And then it has some bill due, paydays, icons, script stickers, that sort of thing. So that's what's in her monthly kits. And like I said, this one is just like a generic, you can use it any month. I also have Stylish. This is one of her new kits. Sorry, I need to make some more room for myself. But this one has some definite fall colors, but I really am a fan of how cute this kit is. So I just love like the fashion girl, the shoes, the florals, the polka dots, all those things are my vibe. But like I said, this is a reformat that she did. So this one has the full boxes, the bow paper clips. You have a kind of a longer fashion girl box. You've got an even longer fashion girl box. It has this like scalloped kind of washi there. I don't know where you'd use that. It also has 4 large flags on the side here. This one has just kind of regular box. These are, I don't feel like you can't see. It has like wood grain, like gray wood grain for the date covers. The glitter headers are adorable, and it has the bows. This bottom washi speaks to me, also very fall, but I still love it. I don't care. Give me a burgundy any time of year. Littles, pretty much same contents as before, but just different layout. Sidebar stickers, including this big octagon for the planner. My planner's closed, so I can't show you where it goes, but you know. If you know, you know. This sheet has half boxes, quarter boxes, and third boxes. And this one has even more, but in solids. So that's that. Again, this one I did not print out the checklists because I haven't been using them. I used to do like a full no white space planning, and then I kind of stopped that. I like to do a plan as I go. So this is the Dreamer kit. I love how bright this is. So let's stay in bed. You've got dream. The fact that we're still at home, I feel like this is perfect. I love the fashion girl eating ice cream, ramen, any of these things I would have out of bowl, cereal. You know, we're living our best lives. I don't know where this sticker would go, but it's so cute. In every kit, this like weird size sticker is so cute, and I don't know where it goes. I have to figure it out. This sticker here, the fashion girl with her legs up. Again, super cute. I'm gonna say that 1,000 times. We've got our littles. We've got our headers. This one does have the ombre heart checklists. And then the sheet that has the ombre heart checklist has the second sheet on it is the half checklists and then the half boxes. So that's why in a lot of the kits that don't have the checklists printed out, I don't have the extra half boxes. Sidebar stickers, script icons, and deco. That's what it's called, deco. Like mini icons? What is this? The bottom washi and the date headers. And then our half boxes, or quarter boxes, and third boxes. So, adorable kit if I do say so myself. I don't know when I'm going to use that. I haven't decided on a lot of this. This is a monthly sticker kit. This one is from Lalala Land. Okay. So this is for April. I haven't done my plan with me yet. I will do it soon, I promise. But you have like your full date cover. You have some boxes that go in the days. You have some strips that cover the bottom. You have these boxes that you can put in the sidebar, or you can do the Fashion Girl. You've got some little, I'd say quarter boxes. And then you have another strip of kind of, I wouldn't call it deco, icons, some more boxes, more strips. And then you have some more boxes, your date dots, and then some more labels. So there's that. And then there is the kit that I'm going to be using this week because I'm obsessed with the Animal Crossing. This is the crossing kit. So this is the same layout as the stylish kit. So yeah, I'm in love with Animal Crossing. I'm not going to go through all this a lot because it's very, very similar to the other one that I showed you. And we've got our little things. Super cute weekend script banner. Script icons. Lots of deco. Full washi. This doesn't have the bows on it. And then we've got our half boxes. Blah. Essentially our solids is what these are. And then we've got our patterns. So there's the crossing kit. That's what we're going to be using this week. I'm going to set that to the side. And then this kit I did print out. Oh, it's actually too. Oh, I did print this kit once. I knew I did. I had a feeling. Well, turns out I printed this calm kit twice. Just have to use it again. Don't worry. I should have realized that was a lot of paper. And then this last one is this Homebound kit. You have definitely seen this, what's it called? Oh my gosh. Words are so hard right now. Clip art before. So she's, you know, leggings and a hoodie, looking in the fridge. That's my life. Working from home. I love the gray and the like mint green. Those are two of my favorite colors ever. So I just really love that. Got our script icons. This one also has some Disney Plus icons in here too. Our sidebar stickers. So I think I might use this one after Animal Crossing. I'm gonna go from like lots of color to just fucking gray. But yeah, that is that kit. And that's what I bought recently. I hope to have some consistency with my planning videos. I am super excited by how cute all of these kits are. And we've got Animal Crossing coming this week, or it may already be uploaded, depends on when I put this up. Who knows? But thanks for watching, guys. Bye!